Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to travel with pets on Porter Airlines. Here's a detailed guide on how to travel with pets on Porter Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.flyporter.com. Make sure you're using the latest version of the website for the best experience. Then head over to the top of the screen where you have Book, Manage Flights, Travel Info, and VI Porter. Click on Travel Info, and here you have a couple of categories: before you fly, special travel needs, and on board. Now head over to special travel needs, and under that click on traveling with pets, and that is going to allow you access the detailed pet travel policy. So this is how to book. So pet travel is restricted to house cats and small dogs, and the cost for transporting your pet in cabin, you see that. And pet travel is booked on a space available basis, and Porter allows up to 2 pets in a cabin on any given flight. So that's it. Now, to avoid disappointments, you should reserve space for your pet at any time at the time of booking, or contact the Porter call center at this number as early as possible. A minimum of 24 hours notice is required. So here are all the information that you need to know. A maximum of 4 carrier per person. So just read all of these, and once you read all of these, head over to pet carriers count as cabin baggage and read this too. Read the pet carrier size and weight allowance, which is here provided for you, and read the pet carrier restrictions, which we have in here. Then going through security with pets, you can get more information about that. Then animal relief areas, flights with other airlines, international flights, pets in Porter lounges, service animals. Just click on more information to read more information about this. Then once you are booking your flight, so let's say you want to book your flight, you have not booked the flight yet, and you want to book the flight, just head over to the Porter homepage, which we are going to do here. So now let's book this flight. I'm selecting my departure date and my return date, and I'm just going to click on find flights. So in here, excuse you, I'm going to select the flight that I need. So no, I don't want to do that. Select the ultimate option. So I'm going to select my return flights, select So book your flights. So it takes me to the next page, which is the passenger details page. So on the passenger details page, you see this option that says pets in cabin. Now travel numbers and redress number. Now under these, you have special assistance and you have pets in cabin. Now select pets in cabin. Now for this flight, it says pets in cabin is unavailable. Pet travel is restricted to house cats and small dogs. Only soft service carriers are accepted. Now pet travel restrictions, you can read that, but for these particular flights, pets in cabin is not available. So passengers traveling on itineraries that include flights operated by our airline partners are not permitted to travel with a pet. But if this is available for your flights, then you have an option to add the pets that you want to add. All you need to do is to just enter the necessary details about your pet, including the type of the pet, cat or dog, weight of the pet, make sure it fits within the weight limit, and the dimension of the pet's carrier, ensure it meets the size requirements. Then once you're done, just review the additional fees associated with traveling with your pet. These fees will vary based on your pet's size and carrier use. Make sure you understand the total cost before proceeding. And once you're done, just continue filling out any remaining passenger information and proceed to continue, and that's going to take you to the payment page or the add-on page where you can now add any extra services that you want to add before you finally complete your booking. So ensure that your pet is comfortable in their carrier before the flight, and familiarize your pets with the carrier in advance to reduce travel stress. So that's just pretty much the whole thing. And on the day of your flight, you can check in online by hovering to the home page. So just get back to the home page, and from the home page, you see the option that says check-in. Now click on check-in and enter your confirmation number and your last name. Then complete the online check-in process, ensuring your pet details are included. So once you see that everything is A and okay, that's it. You will be able to travel successfully with your pet on Porter Airlines, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey for both you and your furry friend. So go visit her from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.